When we met, I felt my life begin. You caught my eye, took me by surprise, and then I feel the breeze and the morning glow. Waking up next to you is so found love's mystery. It's a new